Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition and support for the Walk for Peace Mahasangha, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama sent a letter to us, and today we would like to share his message with you. We would like to invite Shinza Rinpoche and Ms. Tencho Gyatso to present this letter. Ms. Tencho Gyatso is a member of the Capital Area Tibetan Community and currently serves as president of the International Campaign for Tibet. She is also the niece of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. We are honored to have her join us today in support of peace, compassion, and global unity. Everyone, please welcome Ms. Tencho Gyatso.
It is my great honor and privilege to join the Venerable Shinza Rinpoche to present and read the message of His Holiness the Dalai Lama for the Venerable monks who have undertaken this remarkable peace walk. I express my solidarity to fellow Buddhist monks who have undertaken a walk for peace from Texas to Washington, D.C. with the aim of promoting national healing, unity, and compassion. Their commitment, including enduring physical hardship and challenging weather conditions over a journey of more than 2,000 miles, has drawn attention both within the United States and internationally. The message of peace and mutual understanding conveyed through their conduct, marked by humility and calm presence, has resonated with many people as they encountered along the route, as reflected in media coverage. Their initiative illustrates how religious practitioners can contribute in a practical and constructive way to social harmony and public dialogue. May their walk help sow the seeds of greater peace, understanding, and compassion in the United States and beyond. With my prayers and good wishes, the Dalai Lama, February 4th, 2026.